What was that? What just happened?
The Bucks scored.
No, the other part.
You mean the part about my tongue in your mouth?
Yeah, that part.
It was nothing.
Right, it was just a thing.
Yeah.
It's a football thing.
Yeah.
It happens all the time.
Yeah. You think so?
No way.
Yeah, no way. So, are we gay?
No. I don't know. Were you excited?
No. Yes. A little bit. I was a little bit excited. Oh, does that make me gay?
Well, no. Yeah, a little bit. A little bit gay.
So we're a little bit gay.
Yeah. Well, no, we're two guys who got excited and made out. Yeah?
It still sounds a little gay to me, man.
Yeah. Look, I don't know what's going on here, okay? But just because a couple guys kiss and dance a little and grope each other, and one of them whispers to the other, "I know you're a man, but I'm going to treat you like a lady," that doesn't make him gay.
When did that happen?